My name is Ayala, and I'm one out of 14 student delegates that got to experience the engineering abroad program, which I thought was pretty good. It's been happening for the past 3 years. And this is a D1 from the top of the view when we from abroad. This is part of some pictures from a D1 that looked. There's a lot of cobblestones in the streets, and I just took these pictures throughout the trip. There's a lot of churches that were abandoned or that just fell. There was an earthquake, and this destroyed a lot of churches and buildings. This picture was pictures from the school. That door was there that caught my attention a lot, because that says the future of what Delegate studies here. So back then they didn't have a school. The way they were studying underneath the trees. So it started with 20 students, and then it started raising from 80 students, and now it's 200 students. So just to see the growth of the students going to school was pretty impressive. So every time that we go, more students, more kids from the villages start noticing that school is actually important, and the parents as well. They start investing time and money into their kids, because they see that that's going to better their future and the future of their children. And then, well, I guess all of us, I could say, we learned and teach, and we got to experience things that we'll never learn anywhere else, or teach things to kids that might never may have been taught to them if we wouldn't have gone. And to see these things happen was pretty awesome. And yeah, one thing that impacted all of us was the children. The children was a pretty good impact on all of us, because we were able to see how these kids were happy without nothing. All they cared was if they had each other, and they would have been happy. They didn't care if they had a brand new ball and they had new shoes. So all they cared was they had each other and become happy with each other. And our projects, well, you guys heard a lot of them. We have tank projects, and we have the school project and field project, where we're divided into 3 groups, and we were assigned to do those projects. And the volcano was a good experience. I think it was a one-in-a-lifetime experience, because I never seen a volcano, and that was the only places where we'll be able to see a volcano erupt, because this volcano it didn't erupt for 24 years, and so now I think that was one of the eruptions. So once it erupted that night, for the rest of the trip, it didn't erupt, and there was no smoke, nothing. So that was pretty cool to experience that. And the culture there was good. There's this famous place that's called Pepian, and it's a tradition food, which is like a mole, chili. And then my favorite part was those tortillas, because I was waiting for that part of the whole trip, because they were handmade up. So when I saw them doing that, I got very happy. That's what I've been waiting for. And yeah, it was pretty exciting to see the culture and the tradition that they keep on showing it to their past. They keep on passing it down to the new generation, and they keep it alive, and they're happy to show it to people outside coming in. They're very welcoming. And the history we went to Delegate was a nice temple there, and it was never experienced something like this. And to see the sunset come out from Delegate and be at that temple was pretty cool, because they say it's hard to see the sunrise come. It's hard to see the sunrise. So yeah, it was pretty cool to take this picture to Cabrillo College, because I was able to share this with you guys and share all the things that we were able to see, and share with the community and other our friends and families, and get to tell them our experience that we lived, that if they wouldn't have given us the opportunity, we would have not experienced this, and being able to appreciate things that we have, and work hard for things that we don't have. And the impact, the influence You know, we may drink the same thing and we may eat the same thing, but it may look different depending on wherever we go. So by noticing that, our ability to learn all these things is to share it with other people around the world and help them out